家拍卡。
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
What up, what up? It's time for Practical Hakka on Icrt.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。我们都要准时办活动，要准时，然后有什么聚集，比如庆功宴什么也最好准时，对不对 ？All right, when you're holding events or holding dinner or reception, we hope that everyone gets there on time. So we're putting you in that scenario. But first, how do you say 准时？
准时。
准时 Okay, that means to be on time. 活动顺利结束真是太好了 Our event concluded successfully. What a great thing, right? 怎么说？
发通顺利结束。
发通顺利结束。
食材很好拿。
食材很好拿。食材是
实在。
实在 Okay, that really, I'm happy about it. It's great. 太好了。很好 That's awesome, basically. Okay, so 那个活动叫做
发通。
发通 Okay, 发通 means an event. Okay. 对啊，今晚庆功宴一定要来哦。That's right. Tonight's after party, you have to come, all right?
嘿呀。
嘿呀。
安补呀。
安补呀。
庆功宴。
庆功宴。
一天愛來哦。
一天愛來哦。
嘿呀，安補呀慶功宴一天愛來哦。
聽到幾個單字了，安補呀就是今晚的意思 right? We taught this before. That means tonight. And then a 慶功宴 in Chinese, 慶功宴 okay, actually literally means the success of an event. But in the Western world, I think we just call it an after party. It doesn't matter how successful it is. You know, everyone put a lot of effort into this whole thing. So 一定要有一個 after party 要來慰勞一下這些員工嘛，對不對 Okay, so 慶功宴怎麼說？
慶功宴。
慶功宴 and after party. 沒問題，我會準時到 No problem, I will be there on time.
冇問題。
冇問題。
我會準時到。
我會準時到。
冇問題，我會準時到。
我跟你講，慶功宴更大家會準時，因為有吃有喝有玩。People tend to be on time for an after party, that is for sure. Not necessarily for the event, which is unfortunate, but that is our scenario. So let's review some of these phrases such as an event, 活動。
發通。
發通，然後結束叫做
結束。
結束。Okay, that means to conclude or complete or finish, all right? And then there's the after party, but in Chinese literally means the success of an event, 庆功宴。
庆功宴。
庆功宴。And finally, this whole month we're teaching you to be on time. Please be on time. 準時。
準時。
準時 Okay, and 希望大家都可以準時收聽 ICRT 啦。
Yes.
That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼太假？
按子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.